Hey, budget travelers, are you dreaming of exploring the world but worried about the costs? Well, worry no more. Are you ready to explore the world without breaking the bank? Traveling on a budget is not only possible but can also be incredibly rewarding. I'm here to share some top-notch destinations that won't empty your wallet. Let's dive in. First stop, Vietnam. This Southeast Asian gem is a paradise for budget travelers. Vietnam offers a rich tapestry of experiences, from its lush landscapes to its vibrant cities. Whether you're trekking through rice terraces or exploring ancient temples, there's something for everyone. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene landscapes of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam offers an affordable adventure. The country's diverse scenery and rich culture make it a must-visit. Street food here is not only delicious but incredibly cheap. Imagine savoring a variety of flavors without burning a hole in your pocket. You can get a bowl of pho for just a couple of bucks. This hearty and flavorful dish is a staple in Vietnamese cuisine and a must-try for any visitor. Next, let's head over to Eastern Europe, specifically Budapest, Hungary. Known as the Paris of the East, Budapest is rich in history, culture, and affordability. The city is teeming with free attractions like the Fisherman's Bastion and Buda Castle. These historical sites offer stunning views and a glimpse into Hungary's past. The city is teeming with free attractions like the Fisherman's Bastion and Buda Castle. You can spend days exploring without spending a dime on entrance fees. Plus, the local cuisine is hearty and inexpensive. From goulash to chimney cakes, Budapest offers a culinary adventure that won't break the bank. Don't forget to relax in one of the famous thermal baths. These baths are not only a great way to unwind but also an affordable luxury. Now off to Central America, to the beautiful country of Guatemala. With its stunning landscapes, ancient ruins, and friendly locals, Guatemala is a must-visit. With its stunning landscapes, ancient ruins, and friendly locals, Guatemala is a must-visit. The country's rich history and vibrant culture make it a unique destination. Explore the vibrant markets of Antigua or trek the Mayan ruins of Tikal. And the best part, it's all super affordable. You can immerse yourself in the local culture without spending a fortune. Accommodations and food here are budget-friendly, making it perfect for thrifty travelers. Whether you're staying in a hostel or enjoying street food, your money goes a long way. How about a Mediterranean escape? Greece, particularly the island of Crete, is a fantastic budget destination. Greece, particularly the island of Crete, is a fantastic budget destination. The island offers a mix of beautiful beaches, historical sites, and delicious food. Enjoy the crystal-clear waters, ancient ruins, and delicious Greek cuisine without spending much. The island's natural beauty and rich history make it a perfect getaway. Many of the beaches and historical sites are free to access. You can spend your days exploring and relaxing without worrying about entrance fees. And you can find budget accommodations that offer stunning views. Imagine waking up to a beautiful sunrise over the Mediterranean without breaking the bank. Finally, let's not forget South America. Bolivia is often overlooked but is an incredible budget-friendly destination. Bolivia is often overlooked but is an incredible budget-friendly destination. From the otherworldly Salar de Uyuni salt flats to the vibrant city of La Paz, Bolivia has so much to offer. From the otherworldly Salar de Uyuni salt flats to the vibrant city of La Paz, Bolivia has so much to offer. The country's diverse landscapes and rich culture make it a hidden gem. The cost of living is low, and you can enjoy local dishes for just a few dollars. Whether you're dining in a local restaurant or trying street food, you'll find plenty of affordable options. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on amazing experiences. In fact, it often leads to more authentic and memorable adventures. With a bit of planning and an adventurous spirit, these destinations offer unforgettable journeys without draining your savings. Research, plan ahead, and be open to new experiences. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to explore the world on a budget. The world is full of affordable destinations waiting to be discovered. Remember, the best things in life are not always the most expensive. Happy travels. Embrace the journey and make the most of every moment.